Large cities throughout the area are taking extra precautions as we wait to find out more details about the bombings at the Boston Marathon. For instance, in Jersey City, police presence is being heightened on many levels. FiOS 1's Kimberly Wallace has more.
In the wake of the Boston Marathon bombings, top security officials in Jersey City moved quickly to tighten security and open the city's Emergency Operations Center.
Cameras in this room are specifically on high-profile targets, transportation entities and things like that, so we felt it was necessary to be able to monitor these areas.
The Emergency Center goes operational when the city is on high alert. Additional security cameras have been put on the streets. Police presence has also been increased as a precaution.
We are ramping up security. Most of it will be visible. However, there will be locations that will be under surveillance by our plainclothes people.
City officials say Jersey City is considered a high target area for terrorism, not only for its large population, but also because of its proximity to New York City. In fact, this area here along the Hudson River became a staging ground for survivors on 9/11.
We have the 4 tallest buildings in the state of New Jersey right now here in Jersey City. We are a transportation hub, so they aim at transportation centers such as our PATH stations.
The Emergency Operations Center will likely be manned when Jersey City hosts 2 races within the next month.
We have a local marathon that we'll be meeting to actually lessons learned from things were done in Boston. As information becomes available, we adjust. It's not only for that event, but any other event that could have a large crowd.
And of course, security officials are encouraging residents, if you see something, say something. In Jersey City, Kimberly Wallace, FiOS 1 News.